This video is 5 things to do if you're bored. So let's get to it. But before you watch the video, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click that notification bell down below so you get notified always when I post a new video. So let's get started. Number 1, clean up your room. That might be something that nobody wants to do, but we have time right now, so might as well do it. And just so you know, I already started cleaning up a little. And I put my desk on the other side, so yeah. And put music on. It's always way better. Fact. School, how do you call it? School binders. Whatever these are, also look very good for books and crafting things and paper. That's a tip. And yes, I didn't do the whole room in one day. I only did my desk, but that's enough for one day. I'm gonna do the next thing tomorrow. And I just noticed that I deleted something what I needed, but I guess the video is okay without it, so. So, the third thing to do is you can read a really good book that you wanted to read for a while, but you never came to it. So, this is my bookshelf. Yep, I have a lot of books. And yes, it is color combined. It is in the order of a rainbow. That one, and that one. So, that one looks cute. And yes, I read German. So the next thing you can do is paint your nails. I already have my nails painted. Mine were already painted and I didn't want to show how I do that. So yeah, you're just gonna see me right there. Bye. So the next thing you can do is do a puzzle. Let's see which puzzle I have to do. Let's go. Down here, I have 1,000 puzzles. This one, me and my dad already did. This one I already did. That one, nope, maybe. No, I already did that one, I already did one. So I accidentally forgot to film me doing the puzzle, so you won't see that, but now you'll see me read. I'm gonna read for like an hour because I love reading, but you don't want to see it, so see you later. And if you hear clicking or stuff like that, that's my brother playing Fortnite, like I said. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye. And I post every Sunday or every Monday. You'll see it. So yeah, come back every Sunday or Monday. Bye.